Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this mini sketchbook or diary, you can say anything, and I will show you how to make this from scratch along with the beautiful paper quilling flower decoration. It's looking very attractive. Now I am quickly opening this, and inside this I have added these pages, and these are quite thick to do the painting work or sketch work. You can do journaling, you can write poem, or you can write any sweet memory on this. And after learning this, you can add as many pages as you want. Very easy to make, and I'm super duper excited to show the procedure. So without any further delay, let's get started. So here I am taking 120 GSM sheet, which is 12 by 12 inches, and from left side I am marking on 4 inches and 8 inches, similarly marking in the bottom. Then making the crease line by joining these markings. Again on other side I am marking on 4 inches and 8 inches and making the crease line. Then we just need to cut on this crease line till the second crease line. Now rotating the sheet on 180 degree and again cutting it till the second crease line. Now we just need to fold from one corner in the zigzag manner, like this. Each time burnish it. Super easy to make. And this is done. Now we need to connect these parts to create as a single paper or single flap. So first flap is ready. Now I'm sticking the second flap. And everything is nicely connected. Now I'm just chopping the excess paper from both the sides. And this is done. Similarly, I have prepared one more with the same procedure. Now I'm just joining both the books with each other. Now we have 7 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is also opened, so I am just sticking it. And the book is ready. Then I am punching all pages corners using this corner chomper, and I'm using 10 mm side. Now I'm taking this pattern paper, which is 8.5 by 4 inches, and putting my handmade book inside this, and I have folded this side according to the width of my book. Now I'm just chomping the corners of this pattern paper as well. This pattern paper is from Craft Gully. After that, I will just stick my book inside this. And before sticking, I'm just attaching satin ribbon on both the sides so that we can tie it very easily. And now I'm sticking it with glue. So the super beautiful handmade notebook or sketchbook is ready. Very easy to make. Now it's time to decorate this. So here I'm taking yellow color strip and I'm using half strip of 3 mm and making one bended leaf shape. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. Similarly, I have prepared one more. Now I'm taking 1/4 strip of dark yellow color and making one leaf shape, joining all 3 petals together and wrapping it using dark yellow paper strip. Then twisting the petal from top and bottom little bit like this, and petal is ready. Similarly, I have prepared some more. Now I'm joining total 9 petals together to make the flower. Like this. Then to make the center of the flower, I am taking here dark green gray color strip in 10 mm. Just folded the strip from center and I will start making strips using my scissors. So here I am cutting it in a fringes to make the fringe flower. So the strip is completely cut and now I am rotating it using my quilling tool and making the fringe flower. So flower is ready. Add glue on the below part and stick it inside the flower. The beautiful sunflower pattern is ready. Now to highlight the inner part little more, I am taking here gold acrylic color and making some random dots using paintbrush on this. And now this is looking more attractive, and similarly I have prepared one more flower. Now keeping it aside, and I am starting with making the filler. For this I am taking half strip of medium blue color and making one tight coil. Then taking one small piece of strip, folding from center, add little glue and connect it around this tight coil. So filler is ready. Similarly, I have prepared some more fillers already. Now I'm starting with leaf. For this I'm taking 1/4 strip of light green color in 3 mm and making one bended leaf shape. Similarly, we need total 7 leaves to create one complete leaf. Again, take in 1/4 strip of light green color, folding from center, sticking it like this. This is the stem of leaf, and now around this I will add all my petals. So leaf is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more bunch. So I am joining both the bunch together. And in the same way, I have prepared one more bunch of 2 leaves. Then I will show you how to make scrolls. So here I am taking 2 1/4 strip of dark green color, 2 1/4 strip of light green color, and 2 pieces of yellow color in 1/4 size. Gathering it all together, folding from the center, and I will start twisting it from one corner using pointed tweezer. Just making a tight coil like this. Open this and you will get beautiful scroll. Cutting the excess strip from bottom and securing it using glue. So scroll is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more scroll. Now here I am taking one piece of white color paper and making small shredded strips using my scissor. Now taking back my notebook and adding little glue in the center and sticking these shredded paper strips randomly like this. I'm adding these strips just to give little shabby look. Now on both the corners I will add leaves and then I will decorate using flowers, scroll and fillers. So this is done. It's looking absolutely stunning. Then I'm taking brown color 3mm strip, just creating a coil and twisting it like this using pointed tweezer. You will get curly strip. Just taking a small piece of curly strip, bending it like this, and I will stick this curly strip randomly between the flower. Similarly, I have added already some more, and the beautiful notebook cum diary cum sketchbook is ready. It's looking very beautiful, and this is very pocket friendly. You can keep it in purse very easily. You can create small cute sketches, you can write poems, you can do journaling. There are so many things you can do on this notebook, and if required you can add more pages with the same method. So the number of pages is in your hand, how thick you need to create your book. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.